Good evening, everyone. I just want to go ahead and jump right into the Group 2 lesson problems. So I'm going to start off going backwards to the top with question number 5 about the guinea pigs. And the first question is, what cross would have to be made to make 50% black and 50% sepia? And so with this problem, there's 4 different dominances. You have black, which is the dominant over sepia, which is sepia is dominant over cream, and cream's over white. So the most important thing to realize in this one is that anything that is dominant over the other one will show the dominant gene and not the recessive one. So I got 4 possible crosses to make the 50-50. I did a black-white cross with a homozygous sepia, a black cream cross with a homozygous sepia, a black sepia cross with a sepia cream, or black sepia with a sepia white. And because of the dominance, the cream and the white ones are not expressed for the phenotypes. The next one for part B, it's 75% sepia and 25% cream. And I got 2 different crosses for this one, which was a sepia cream cross with a cream white, or a sepia cream with a sepia cream. That would get us those 2 crosses. And then part C, which is 50% black, 25% sepia, 25% white. I only got 1 cross, and that's a black-white with the sepia white cross, because the black is dominant, and when it's expressed, it will express over 50%, and the sepia, which is dominant over the white, and that second cross, and then the white would go with itself and would be the recessive and would be expressed. Part D is 75% black and 25% white offspring, and I got a black-white cross with a homozygous white cross to get the 75% black and 25% white. All right. So now in question number 4, it was actually a fill-in-the-blank question. So the part A, I got glycosyl transferase, which is an enzyme that it is encoded by the A and B alleles for B blood, and then the enzyme adds the sugar galactose to the carbohydrates on the red blood cells. Part B is overdominance. C is incomplete penetrance. D is, well, not even quite sure how to say this one, but it's epistasis. Just guessing on that one. And the next one's even a harder word. It is phenylketonuria, which is the disease where it can be modified. It can be alleviated by modifying your diet. The 2:1 phenotype ratio in part F is actually shows that in the Manx trait it is the lethal inheritance, because it doesn't show that other. It doesn't represent the other one. G is the shells. And so for this one, it was kind of hard for me to come up with the answer on this one. So what I came up with is the phenotype rate is 6:4, because they all go through the females, and all the females in this one, 60% of them had a dominant trait, and only